Some of you will remember this from last year. From time to time, we'll call red. In fact, depending on how deep we are, we'll call red quite frequently. So let's just say we made a basket, or we'll even do this on times that we don't make a basket, but let's say there's a 1 or a 2 and they try to inbound it to 1. What we'll do, this is different than Wolf. In Wolf, we're denying the pass, but on this one, you're just keeping the girl in front of you. We don't want to get beat. And if they get the ball to 1, what we're looking to do is just turn the girl from side to side. So we want her to go this way and this way and this way. We just want to turn her. So we're going to keep her in front of us. We're not going to let her get past us. And really what we're trying to do is just get this girl who's the ball handler to focus more on her defender than being able to just walk up the court and call a play and make an easy pass. Like, we're trying to make it a little more tough and distracting. I know that when I was a point guard and they just brought somebody up just to turn me from side to side, it was annoying because I had to spend all this energy and effort just to get the ball to here, then we could run our play. So red is just full court man. We'll run this quite often in the game, and we'll have different girls running in this position. But we're simply just trying to get them to waste time and distract them. And we'll also run this at the end of the games, end of game scenarios when we gotta get a steal or gotta be right next to them, or keep a 5-second count. So this is just full court man where we're trying to turn them. We're not necessarily trying to steal, but I mean, if a girl were to cross over right in front of you, you of course put your hand in front and then go make a layup. So this play is called red, and it just means